When we first moved in 2018 to our 2.5 acre home in North Carolina, we noticed some standing water in the woods behind our house. Since we always wanted a small pond, we wondered if we could make a mini 20-foot by 20-foot pond here. The area behind the red brick shows where the brick and mortar dam was going to be built. I later learned this assumption was not what you want to do. Original dam was going to be made out of concrete. Red bricks identify the dam location. Loose sticks, mud, pine straw was pushed into a temporary dam. You can get a better idea of the area intended to hold the water at the top of the picture where the old pump handle is. Here are several views of the water area in the original dam. This is a clip of an unusually heavy rain showing the quantity of runoff. This is several hours later, but there's still runoff water coming into the pond. On November 1st, 2019, I rented a mini excavator to do some work on my driveway. I have absolutely no experience running one of these, but always wanted to. My son also has zero experience, but he hopped on and pushed up some dirt onto the original pile of debris that I was using as a temporary dam. As we now know, this was a mistake to use this vegetation and mud in the dam. On November 24th, about 3 weeks after the excavator work, this is March 17th, 2020, showing the inside of the pond empty. Since the pond was dry, I began work on shaping the inside with a tiller and a hand rake. This is March 22nd, 2020. After watching LD18 and DP YouTube videos, I saw where the value was in red clay. I found a little bit of red clay in the woods. I had enough for about 1-inch covering. That was placed on the inside of the pond, then packed with my riding mower wheels. This is what it looked like when finished. Here are the grandkids playing with the RC hovercraft in the pond. This is September 18, 2020, and a view of the pond with the debris that accumulates. October 8, 2020. You can see the water has settled and we began building a dock. Added stand for pump handle and marked off inches on the pole to show how deep the pond is. We wanted to add a pump to keep the water circulating. This, we were hoping, would prevent the buildup shown here, and possibly a small waterfall in the future. Cleaning debris from the spillway. The next video, part 2, will show where I rented an excavator again and removed the old dam and put in a new one using some clay that I found in the bottom of the pond and around the outside picking up rocks and roots.